Everyone, welcome to another product spotlight, and today we'll be discussing our newly launched CrafTangles stickers. So we have launched two new kinds of stickers. These are pre-cut stickers, and the first one that we have released is this 365 days stickers. So let me just show you what exactly does it contain. So this is a 365-day stickers, and as it says, it gives you stickers for each and every day of the year. These are undated, so again, you should be able to use them every year. It could be 2023, 24. You could also go back and, if you have a journaling, you can add them for 2022, etc. So in one pack, you get this kind of sheets, and in one sheet, you get one sheet per month. So in total, you'll have 12 sheets. So this is for the month of January. And as you can see, there are dates like 1 to 31st. And then there is this extra space that we had where we decided to kind of just create a more patterned look for that month. So let's say if there is a special date in that month which you want to denote, like an anniversary or a special day in your life or somebody's birthday, you could use this particular undated kind of a sticker for that. So this is January. Then we have February, since they have a few days, you'll have more these kind of special stickers. Then we have March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now, this is specifically for a lot of people who do journaling and stuff. I do have a couple of samples that I'll show it to you, at the end of this video. But we were getting a lot of requests to create some kind of date stickers for people who kind of use planners or who do diary or journaling every day, so that they could denote that particular day in that journal for that particular day of the month of a particular year. So that is why we have done this particular sticker sheet. As I mentioned, these are A5 in size, so one sheet is A5 in size, and if you see closely, these are pre-cut. So if I kind of open this is how these are already cut. So all you have to do is just peel and stick and use them in your project. So that is how these stickers work. Okay, so that was our first sticker launch, and the next one that we are launching are these chit chat sentiment stickers. So we are doing chit chat sentiment 2, sentiment 3, sentiment 4, and sentiment 1. Okay, so in one pack, I'll just open one pack and show it to you. In one pack, you get one sheet of white stickers and one sheet of black stickers. These sheets are A5 in size, and they are pre-cut, just like how I showed you with calendar stickers. So, all you have to do is just peel them and use them on your project. So this is how the pack looks like. So this is Chit Chat Sentiment 4, and as you can see in this, you get the same sentiment in black and the same sentiment in white, and these are already cut, so you can definitely use them on your project. So as you can see, just peel and stick on your project. So this is the Chit Chat Sentiment 4. Similarly, we have 3, 2, and 1, and all of them have different quotes in them. So the one which kind of suits your project, you could definitely pick up. If you're buying the complete combo, it will be at an additional discount on our website. So I'll link them below for you all, so you could definitely see and pick up the one which you like for your projects. Now, just to show you some of the places where you can use these kind of stickers, and then I'll show you my samples. So here is, like, you could use them on a self-painted cards that you are making and selling. They also make beautiful stickers for the bookmarks. You could do that. You could use them on your phone case covers if you are making them. You could use them on your diaries. Like, these kind of small diaries are perfect to use these kind of stickers. And as you can see, I kind of write my dates over here. But if, let's say, you wanted to create a diary to do journaling daily, you could use these kind of date stickers here, at the corner at the top, and then make the page. And then here you could use those sentiment stickers and make it for every day and things like that. You could of course use them on your canvases, mixed media projects, etc. as well. So here is another place where you could use them on your diaries, etc. Right? So you could definitely do that. Here you could use them on your diaries, whatever you are journaling, etc. So journaling, then let's say mixed media projects, phone case covers. If you are a painter, you could use them on your canvases or on cards that you're making on order or gifting to someone you love. So here are some of the samples that I have created. I kind of call them, like a journaling card or something like that. So the whole idea behind them is to create cards daily. So to do some journaling daily, be it 10 minutes, 5 minutes, or something like that. So in that case, I have observed that it is very easy to use stickers. Plus, you could do like an exercise where you are giving yourself daily of 10 minutes of creativity or something like that. So that was the whole idea behind this tag. So I have kind of created some samples for you all, and I'll take you through some of the products that I have used. Of course, each and every sample card that I have made uses these chit chat sentiments that I showed you, as well as the stickers, which kind of marks my journaling for every day. So this is so my idea behind this was that I have used my steel dies. So these are CrafTangles steel dies that I have used to kind of cut out pieces from some cardstock. And I have used a third largest die from the set in case you're curious. And then I have kind of just made a hole in the center. And then I'll take a ring binder and I'll bind all of these together monthly. So this will kind of be, like my daily creative journey kind of a thing. So this is the sample I made for January 15th. As you can see, I have used some old novel pages, some of the CrafTangle sticker rolls from our previous releases. This is our 365 days sticker, and this is our Chit Chat Sentiment newly launched stickers. So if you see in this, let me just zoom in. Yeah. So here you can see that, along with the date, there is an option to select which date of the week this date is. So that's why these are undated. And then I have used like a sentiment for each and every card, depending on, what that particular image tells. And then what I'm going to do is once I complete binding rings for like months, and then on top, I will just add one that says 2023. So I'll know like, this is my journey for 2023. And let's say if I want to do something similar for next year, I can simply use the same stickers again and make another one for 2024. So since these are undated. So this is something that I made for 15th Jan, 16th Jan, 17th, 18th. Now, of course, you could have used some of our stickers like how I have used over here. Like, these kind of, I fussy cut this from our sticker rolls and I have used them over here. Or you could have used something like this, or our opaque pet stickers of girls, etc. You could have used that. Or you could have also used, these kind of focal point images that we have in our journaling. Or you could have also used again, this kind of girls from our pet stickers series. However, what I decided, just for a sake of giving you options, like, and plus I wanted to do something which was super quick. So I did not want to, get into the whole fussy cutting of things. So I just wanted to show you some samples which can be made quickly. And that is where I have used these focal points of characters. So these characters come from this packaging. So this is Tim Holtz Ideology Minis paper dolls. So in one pack you get 133 paper dolls, and you can like kind of make 133 such kind of cards. And what I have done is I have just removed some random characters, and then I selected the one which made sense to me and started sticking them and make them. So my whole idea to make these was to do them like in 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes, like 5 minutes kind of a thing. So you can see most of them are very random. I have not like, made sure that I die cut them or something like that. So what I do is I kind of have made these kind of pieces I have kept ready. And then I just take one piece. I do some crafting on top of it for 5 minutes, 7 minutes tops. And then, I call that piece a day. And that's kind of making sure that I follow that creative habit daily. So you could use something like these, which are like your small mini dolls. Of course, you could use some of our elements like here, which I have used vintage ladies. Here too, I have used vintage ladies as the background, sorry, as the focal point of my cards. Here I have used another, which is our flowered one. This is again a paper doll. This is one of our journaling stickers, which is shades of blue. This is again a a paper doll. This is another paper doll using leftover die cuts and some of our journaling supplies that we carry on our website. And then this is our sentiment stickers, which are newly launched. So again, each and every piece that I'm showing you, all these videos are recorded. They will be added as shorts on our YouTube channel and as reels on our Instagram. So they'll be added on both the social media. If you're following us, you'll definitely be able to see tutorials for all this. And then this is our 4x6 journaling sticker, which is I am woman. And in the background, we have used some of our old journaling supplies that we carry on our website. It is available on our website. So all these products are available on our website. These are paper dolls. This is our opaque stickers, which we had launched in our last release. So these are made in India opaque clear stickers, the roses. So here is another paper doll. This is our mugshot sticker. And then again, I have used some opaque pet clear stickers around it. These. So these are the ones that I made just to, show that you could actually create your creativity journey. And this just takes like 5 to 10 minutes of your day. So it's not very time consuming, like, you put a lot of effort. And I know many artists like to do these kind of exercises so as to keep their creative mojo going on. So these were all the samples, and of course, I showed you some of the samples where you could use it. Like these are all using one of our older releases, but you could definitely, instead of these, which are our old stickers, you could have used our new stickers as well. So that definitely works. So that was all about, these stickers that we released. Now, in terms of sentiments, of course, we have like quite a few types of sentiments, and that is the most common question that we get on our website, that what are the different types of sentiments that you provide. And stay tuned, I'll be posting a next video in this series where I'll be talking about different kinds of sentiments that we have, what are their price points as of now, and how are they different from each other, and what could you select based on the projects that you are making. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Till then, take care. Bye bye.